welcome to the course of PHP and MySQLi CRUD tutorial. Inside this video, we'll see application folder structure. If I back to browser, so as we had seen inside our very first video that we are trying to create a sample application which is basically a employee based CRUD application. So inside this CRUD tutorial, we will see all about our insert statement, update statement, read statement, as well as delete statement. Inside last video, we had seen our development steps. Also, we know that inside this CRUD application, we will have a database and also a table. So to proceed with the application development, first of all, we need to create our project setup. So let's go back to folder structure. Let's create a folder called live. If you go inside it, right now this folder is empty. So all those files what we need to create this employee based CRUD application, we will create inside this folder. So I am opening this project folder into my VS Code. You can select your own editor. We can see successfully now I have imported my live folder what we have created into my VS Code. So the very first file I need inside this folder, that is index.php, and inside this file we will create our main page with this label and two buttons. Now whenever we click on add employee, as we can see this is add employee layout. Whenever we click on list employees, here we have list employees layout, and also whenever we create any new employees, inside that employees rows we have two action buttons called edit and delete. We have two more layouts, that is for the edit and delete. So before processing with these layouts, the next file I need called db-config.php. Let's create file first, db-config.php, and why we need that? Inside this file we will write our database connection string values. By the help of those values, we will connect with our database and table, and we will perform all our CRUD operations. Now next we need our add employee page, and this page is to create our employees, add employee.php. Now next we have called list employee.php. Inside this we'll have our bootstrap table, and inside this bootstrap table we'll list all the employee what we will create from this add employee.php layout. Now next we will have next layout called edit-employee.php. Inside this layout we'll have our bootstrap form, and inside this bootstrap form first of all we need to populate our existing data, and whenever we update any existing data and click on submit button, it will go and update our existing employee information. Now next file we need called delete-employee.php. And inside this file we will have a message, that is our delete confirmation message, with two buttons called yes and no. So whenever we click on any employee delete button, it will go inside this page. This page is going to ask for confirmation from a user. If the user clicks on yes button, then it will go and delete that employee from list as well as from database. So overall inside this employee based CRUD application development, we need index.php and all these files. So along with all these files, we need some folders inside it for our CSS and JavaScript plugin files. So whenever we download our bootstrap plugin files as well as font awesome icon libraries, we need to put inside those folders. So first folder we need called CSS. Inside this folder, we will place our CSS plugin files. Next folder we need called for the JavaScript plugin files called JS. So these are the files and folders what we need to create this employee based CRUD application. So from the next video, we will start all about our development process. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.